In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Carrd website. We'll start right from the beginning. So even if this is your first time using Carrd, you'll be able to follow along. First, log into your Carrd account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on New Site. This will open a page showing you a variety of Carrd templates you can use as a starting point. At the top of this page, you'll see tabs that let you filter the templates. You can view all templates or narrow them down to profile, landing, form, portfolio, or sectioned layouts. Take a moment to browse through these and think about what kind of site you want to build. When you've decided on a template, hover your mouse over it and click Select. That template will then open in the Carrd editor. Inside the editor, your chosen template will already have some elements on the page, like text, images, or buttons. To edit any element, simply click on it. When you do, a panel will slide open on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll see all the settings for that specific element. At the top of this panel, there are icons that let you switch between different types of settings. General element settings, appearance options such as colors and fonts, animation settings, and more advanced options. If there is an element you don't want, make sure it's selected. Then look at the left panel again. At the bottom, you'll see an icon you can click to delete that element from your page. If you want to rearrange elements, select one, then click and drag it to the position you prefer and drop it there. This lets you quickly adjust the layout to better match your vision. To add new content, look again at the top right of the editor and find the plus icon. Click this, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the different types of elements you can add, such as text blocks, images, buttons, or forms. Click the element you want and it will be added to your page. Just like before, its settings will appear on the left panel and you can drag and drop it to reposition it. Once you're happy with how your site looks and you're ready to publish, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner of the editor. From the drop-down, choose Publish. A panel will open on the left where you'll need to enter a title and a description for your site. Both of these are required. Then choose what you want to do under Action. You can publish to a Carrd subdomain, publish to a custom domain, save your design as a template, or save it as an offline draft. Configure the settings based on the action you choose, and when everything looks good, click Publish to make your Carrd website live or save it according to your selection.